In these days, COVID-19 epidemic has become an unbearable disaster. Many things in the world that we do not think about. Let's talk about effects of COVID-19 and animal production field.
Because of the COVID-19 outbreak, the country has been locked. So the farmers face a lot of economic problems. The farmers have to face the market and the farm's prices. They will be making tough choices about what they will cultivate. Which animal are they raised?
Is prominently featured in out of home eating and has important role in our life. Also, the dairy and other farm products are offloaded and wait to be shipped. So the result is the price of dairy products will be increased.
Lack of animal feeds. Because of COVID-19, the entire country production was slowed down. So animals don't have enough feed and their meat, milk and eggs production is decreasing.
If the virus will be to spread more badly in this state, farmers will face a lot of problems such as farm product delivery and pickup service or the illness of workers.
The Midwest farmers are relatively older population as compared to the general working population. So their immunity is relatively weaker than younger generation. They will easily get infected by the virus, and if they get infected, their production will be decreased. Another, the farmers face the workers' safety and the personal protective equipment. There are shortage of the personal protective equipment, and the protective equipment is essential for operating the farmers safely and keeping workers and animals healthy.
To overcome these problems, there are some solutions. First one is increase assessments of the impacts of COVID-19 on animal production field and innovate its supply chain and markets.
Also, support farmers to continue producing and marketing products. For example, help farm institutes, safe labor practices, reduce contact with packing and produce new product from the industry and promote many variety of products.
Small scale and medium scale businesses are the bedrock of the economy, especially in Sri Lanka. So let's help to the small scale, medium scale and large scale businesses to overcome this problem.
Support regional policy dialogues to help countries address food shortage is one of other solutions. Therefore, the government need to innovate and collaborate animal production security and agriculture policy. Import must be reduced and export will be increased.
Assess the impact of COVID-19 on animal product-based livelihoods and food security using a gender lens. Women play central role in the market as traders, producers and healthcare workers. These roles are essential part in the industry and they can impact the income directly. So need to give the priority to them and must keep in them safely.